how to track an order on Walmart application. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step in order to do so. So what you may do is you may just head over and open up the app, access the application on your device, and log in into your account. Now that you're logged in, you should be finding this interface within different products available on the screen. Now, what you may do if you would like to track your order once you've already added the product to the cart is and already checked out, you can look out for the account option in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. After you tap on it, usually if you are logged in, you will be finding a track and order option different. But even if you have not logged in, you can easily find an option called purchase history, where you can find an option of track order where you can track your order status. So you may just go ahead and tap on that option. And then once you tap on this option here, you just need to go ahead and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, you just need to go ahead and type your product number or something like that. And once you go ahead and do so, you will be able to access the order status of your order and look out for your order status, whether it is being processed or it has already been shipped, such info. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to track your order on Walmart. It is quite easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.